Hey guys, we're live at 10:26, battling for Brandon's Sandcrawler, which looks pretty nice. There it is. I got 65 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Copy him here. Paste him in here, 1 through 65. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We have 4, so I'm rolling again. Here we got a 7. We are good to go. Good luck, guys. Ryan, round 1. Mike, 2. Ryan, 3. Eric, 4. Sven, 5. Ryan in the top spot for our next to last round, round 6, which brings us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Eric Nelson in at number 6. Congrats, Eric. Nice hit. Here's the verification code. OXCGZD. Eric Nelson in at number 6 is the champ. I'm done at 10:27. There she is. Again, here's the official winner, Eric in at number 6. See you next time, guys. Thanks.